next tutorial that I'm going to present is how to run YOLO v11 on Raspberry Pi using GaasHub application. First things first is you need to switch on the application and log in and then click on the GPU that is available. Next step is to go to the project folder where you have the YOLO 11, and then this is the project folder, and then in the project folder there is input images, there is a main file, there is a weights folder, weights file for YOLO 11. There is YOLO utils.py which is the main algorithm. So how to run this? So you just do GaasHub start for this. Now, as you can see, the images were checked out and all of the images were loaded, and then the confidence of the images has been given to us. So let's check what's in output. Let's first check what's the new folder inside this project. So the new folder is the output images. Let's check what's in output images. So there's these three detected images that is returned to us. Let's check what the detected images are. So now you can see we are in this YOLO test project folder that we already shown on terminal, and now you can see in this output images, you can see there's a detected image that is given to us. So the horse image, this was the people and a bus, and this is a dog and a cycle and a car. So this is how you can run YOLO v11 on Raspberry Pi using our app. Thanks for watching.